Hey crew, it's the Dreaded Farmer and Olive Mina on back. We want to talk to you about a product that has changed our world as we know it. So if you haven't tried the Thieves Cleaner, the household cleaner, then this month is your month, because this one concentrated bottle has replaced about 20 to 25 different chemical cleaners that we used to have. So this one is a household cleaner. It's basically an all-in-one, so you can use it for so many different things. We use it for just about everything. So you can literally take a couple of capfuls, put it in a spray bottle, fill it up with water, and spray away. Toilets, countertops, floors, carpets, windows, mirrors. You can use the Thieves Cleaner for all of those. But there's also recipes out there, tons of recipes for how you can use the Thieves Cleaner in different ways. So we've made a bunch of different recipes, like for stainless steel. We have furniture polish. We have all-purpose cleaner. This is windows and mirrors. We even have the tub and tile and stove and counters. So we got lots of different ways that we use the Thieves, and literally it has replaced about 20 to 25 different chemicals that are normally found under the sink. Also, one thing to think about is the fact that you can clean with Thieves and it's actually building your immune system. So you're cleaning with essential oils and plants. So as you're cleaning, it's getting absorbed into your skin and it's actually building your immune system. So imagine cleaning with a product that actually supports your health and supports your body system. So get you some Thieves and start cleaning with it. Start ditching and switching all those chemicals that are under your sink. So I want y'all to live it, love it, and share it. Shalom.